Afternoon, and a very warm welcome to Indian Specialized Counseling Academy on Mensa. How are you doing, Aditi?
Ma'am, I'm doing good. Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, that's all right. Come on, sorries are not needed here. And you're new, Aditi. So, what brings you to Mensa? What is it that you're looking forward to, and how you would want to take on the journey henceforth?
Ma'am, I've joined a course of air hostess aviation course. So I want to, I
Go
want,
on.
ma'am, let me explain. Wait.
Yeah. You have a phone call coming. It looks like.
Yes, ma'am. So I have to increase my communication skill and make it better.
All right. And I think when you talk about enhancing your communication skills in today's world and time, people basically talk about English language, how you speak the language, the tonal quality which you use, the kind of style, the words, the rhythm, or, the way you go on speaking. Right? That's
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
are talking about. Great. It's wonderful. Okay, you have a phone call coming. Consistent phone call coming. You want to take it? Is it really important?
No, ma'am, it's not.
All
Okay.
right. So we also have Khushbu and Deepak also with us. Deepak, after a very long time. Khushbu, I think you're joining us for the first time. Like we have Aditi joining us for the first time, and Aditi is going on to becoming a air hostess. She's joined the course. Go on, Khushbu. Good afternoon, my dear. Khushbu, would you want to say something? Khushbu Kesari, and you are also new. What brings you here on Mensa, my dear? Can you unmute, Khushbu? Okay, I think Khushbu is not able to unmute. Deepak, would you want to talk? Where were you? You have not been there. We have been carrying on our season on parenting, and we are on the 7th episode of parenting. And when we talk about parenting, as we have been talking, it's a beautiful journey, but it has its own ups and downs. And parenting really makes the future of a child, really makes the children happen in a big way. You can't see Archika ma'am, Deepak, because Archika ma'am has she has an affair to attend. She's gone on some family engagement, so she will be joining back tomorrow. So I'm taking the liberty of taking the circle alone today without Archika. I hope that is all right, because normally it is Archika and me on Mensa from Indian Specialized Counseling Academy, trying to make the whole session happen together, because our idea is that we would bring in everybody into conversation, explain certain facts, talk about certain facts, and then we will be able to, help people process things. And we give you a non-judgmental, non-critical platform. Deepak, did I answer your question, my dear? Rashika ma'am will not join today because she has some engagement. She has some family engagement, and she is busy there. Deepak, does that make sense to you? So I'll really tell Archika ma'am that she has to join tomorrow because she was being asked for. All right. Thank you, Deepak. Khushbu, can you unmute, dear? I think Khushbu can't unmute, or probably she's not wanting to, maybe busy or something. Deepak, do you have something to add, my dear? And even Arjun from yesterday's session or the session of today, which talks about building confidence through connection. I think connection is the most important thing of parenting, and that makes a lot of things happen. Any questions, guys, before I go on further? Arjun, Deepak, Khushbu, Aditi.
No, we don't. I don't have any questions.
All right. Please feel free to come in. So, Aditi, as I was saying, wherever we are, even parenting is a beautiful relationship, but it also requires a lot of beautiful communication. It also requires that kind of level of communication and connection. Like you have joined the course for being an air hostess, a profession, and parenting is not a profession, but it is a huge responsibility of having brought some people into this world, and you have to carry on. Khushbu is saying, I'm here, but Khushbu, you're not able to unmute, my dear. Would you want to unmute? Do you know how to unmute? When you click your profile, there is something called mute or unmute. So when you can, please join in. We would love to hear from you. So as I was talking about Aditi, and also again, I have already told that Archika is not joining. I know, I can understand, Khushbu, you're new. Archika is not joining today because she has a family function to attend. So she will be here tomorrow. So we are going on to comparison. I'm not drawing a comparison. I'm bringing in assimilation between the profession of becoming an air hostess or parenting. Though they are both different, but certain things, key elements are same. That connection or that communication or that pleasant aspect of personality has to be reflected. If I were to talk to somebody as a parent, up to my child, and if I'm not able to make that connection, so somewhere I'll not be able to justify my relationship. So very important to be a mindful parent who is trying to build confidence through connection. And when we talk about connection, there is a lot which matters. So we were speaking about mindful parenting yesterday. Okay, Mohit, you can join in. You're also new here. Wonderful. If you want to speak something, Suraj is here, Deepak is here, Baldev is here. Baldev, we can have you talking about it. That'll be great because you're a parent yourself. Arjun is here. So let me quickly run on to the characteristics of mindful parenting as we were talking of it yesterday. So mindful parenting, you all have had parents. No problems, Mohit. If you are weak in English, I will try to be a good parent here on ISKA, trying to make you do the communication and make a connection. I hope that made sense. So if you want to join, you're most welcome. So characteristics of mindful parenting. We were talking about mindful parenting yesterday, and we were talking about authoritative parenting. And authoritative parenting is a kind of parenting which is the best. And if the element of mindfulness is added to it, it becomes beautiful. So the mindful parent is always aware of the present moment instead of, being in past and future and worrying about past and future, and is fully engaged and attentive to the current experiences of the child. The parent is not just blaming the child about what happened in the past or what is going to happen in the future. They are worried about here and now. Like my children today have not gone to school. So my daughter was not well, and my son also had an issue. So I was talking to them, I said, you have time, you've not gone to school, so you got to utilize your time right now into doing your studies. Study a bit so that you don't miss out on what is happening in the school today. And I also wanted them to take care of their health. And I made sure that I listened to whatever worries they had. I made sure that if my daughter was having an emotional problem because of the physical reactions, because she is not well, she has fever, she has a body ache. So I was trying to be a mindful parent by being there to listen to what they are saying, but at the same time pushing them into the direction of studying now. Was I being a good parent, or was I being a bad parent? A question to all of you. Or was I being a parent who is trying to balance? I hope all of you understood what I said. आप लोगों को मेरी बात समझ में आई मैंने क्या बोला? You saying something, Aditi? Go on.
No, ma'am, I don't have to say anything.
So, but did you understand the situation? Can you narrate the situation to everybody?
No, ma'am, sorry.
जो मैंने बोला अपने बच्चों के बारे में, even just now what happened, did you understand what I narrated?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you narrate it back to the people? Let them hear you. Let them hear your beautiful voice. The same thing said in a different way.
Sorry, ma'am, but I can't. Maybe.
Okay, all right, no problems. Anybody else who are listening and who would want to repeat what I just said? Okay. Nobody wants. Yeah, go on, Khushbu. Please unmute, my dear. You have to unmute. If you are trying to speak, you have to unmute. Your red circle tells me you want to speak, but how do I unmute you? I can't unmute you. I don't have the unmute button. I can do the force mute. But for that, you have to be unmuted. Khushbu, when you click the profile, the icon of your profile, bacha, you will see 5 or 6 buttons which say view profile, which also says mute or unmute. So you will have to unmute, dear. Oh, Sushant Archika is being missed today by everybody because Archika ma'am is for a family. She's gone for a family function. I'll pass on the thing that Sushant was asking for Archika and Deepak was asking for Archika. I'll tell her that. Thank you very much. That will really make her feel special because when you miss somebody or when you ask for somebody who's not present, it is kind of a feeler that that person is making an impact on you. So it is a beautiful feeling indeed, believe me. So thank you, Shashant, and thank you, Deepak from Archika's side. So that's about being parent also. When you're a parent, you're present, you're listening, you're talking, and you're being non-judgmental. Being a parent is not a difficult. It's a very difficult thing, believe me. You can't be non-judgmental a lot of times, but you have to accept both yourself and the child without criticism and judgment. You can't be judgmental about you also. You can't say I'm a bad parent or you can't say I have a bad child. You have to balance both. So any one of you wants to talk about your parenting, you're most welcome. And going further, when I talk about the mindful parenting, the parents who do the communication, they help the children in emotional regulation, and they really help the child because the benefits of being mindful is that the emotional regulation is happening, the social skills are beautiful, the child is able to manage their social skills, and the child is able to, talk because if the child is not able to talk, how will you understand what your child wants to say? And for the child to talk, you have to give your child that confidence. So if you are there as a mindful parent, the child would be emotionally regulate. Though adolescence will give you upheavals, adolescence will make you feel as if, oh my God, am I a bad parent or is something wrong? But still, you will have to be mindful and not non-judgmental. Your social skills of your children improve, they have resilience, self-esteem. So these are all the important techniques, which are very, very important when you're building confidence. Now, how do you do that? How do you make your children get confident? Is there a mantra to it? Can anybody tell me about it? How do you make your children confident? How you make them feel good? How do you do that? Anybody? How do you make your children feel loved? How do you make them feel listened to? How do you do that? Any ideas? Anything you would like to add? Okay. So I am the Guru Ma today. Ashima is the Guru Ma. All right. Archika will join tomorrow, the other Guru Ma. All right. So when you talk about, you're being there for your children and you're trying to enhance their confidence through connection, how do you make the connection? बच्चों के पास बहुत कुछ होता है बात करने के लिए, है ना? हमको भी, even now when you're grown up, when whatever age you are, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है जो हम बात करना चाहते हैं. We look for somebody who can listen to us, और बच्चे तो बिल्कुल, उनको तो ये पता ही नहीं होता है कि बाउंड्रीज क्या है, उन्हें तो ये पता ही नहीं है कि रुकना है, वेट करना है। वो तो जब उनको कुछ हुआ उनको फटाफट मम्मी पापा को बताना है, और जब मम्मी पापा को बताना है और मम्मी पापा अगर अवेलेबल हैं, मम्मी पापा बड़े प्यार से बैठ के सुन रहे हैं, अटेंटिव तरीके से सुन रहे हैं, उनकी हर बात को बड़े ध्यान लगा के सुन रहे हैं और उनकी हर बात पे कुछ ना कुछ रिएक्शन दे रहे हैं, सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, तो बच्चों का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है। दे फील लव्ड, दे फील हर्ड। सुशांत इज सेइंग टॉक टू हिम फर्स्ट एंड देन ट्रीट हिम लाइक अ फ्रेंड। एब्सोल्युटली, बात करना जरूरी है, मगर बात करने से पहले सुशांत, यू हैव टू लिसन टू देम। अगर मैं अपने बच्चों को अपनी तरफ से कुछ कुछ बोलना शुरू कर दूं विदाउट हियरिंग देम आउट, I think somewhere they will try to obey me or not try to obey me, but they may not be able to express their feelings. So, being expressive is the one important aspect of being a good parent. अगर आप अपने बच्चों की बातों को सुनते हो, if you listen to your children and you try to understand, comprehend, try to give them a shoulder, try to say, give them, you know, the gestures like with your hands, or the sounds like हाँ सही कह रहे हो, सही बात है, नहीं हाँ आप जो कह रहे हो मैं समझ रही हूँ, मैं सुन रही हूँ, you know, it's like you're a therapist to your child. You're giving them the shoulder to talk and vent. And if you give your child that confidence, hey Adi, how are you doing? What do you think if you give that confidence to your child? What happens?
I'm also a child of my parents because I'm not at that kind of stage, so I don't have any experience about that. But yeah, I mean, if you
Right?
behave
Your own
your
parents.
behavior,
When you
yeah,
go
yeah.
talk to your parents, and you know, I mean, are you always listened to? They always listen to you?
Not always, but sometimes it's happened. Like if we are conversating any particular type, maybe their point of view point of view they're most important rather than me. So sometimes we are going to, yes, that's going to happen and this not going to happen. So
But do you think, Adi, if the parent is available for the child right from the beginning, from the young, very young age, when the child has, because छोटे बच्चों के पास बहुत कुछ होता है बोलने के लिए, और
जी जी
अगर
जी
है ना, और अगर
जी
पेरेंट्स उनकी बातों को बचपन से ही सुनते हैं, बड़ा ध्यान लगा के उनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, उनको अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, उनके मतलब एक दोस्त की तरह सारी कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं, डू यू थिंक इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प इन फ्यूचर?
यस मैम, ऑब्वियसली। आई मीन पहले के कंपैरिजन टू जो पहले होता था, अभी के पेरेंट जो हैं वो काफी कुछ अपने आप में जो एनवायरनमेंट को देख के अपने अंदर चेंज ला रहे हैं, जो कि अच्छी बात है। क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था, बच्चों की सुनी नहीं जाती थी। ठीक है। बच्चे मतलब जो बोलते हैं उनके अगेंस्ट जाके मतलब उनको लगता कि नहीं, इनके पास क्या ही है, मतलब क्या ही सोचते हैं, ऐसा जो मतलब ऐसा कुछ है जिस पे ज्यादा फोकस किया जाए। तो अब हमेशा यही होता था कि हाँ, जो पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं वही करना है और उन्हीं के हिसाब से चलना है, उन्हीं के हिसाब से करना है। तो आई थिंक अब जो पेरेंट्स है, कंपेयर उनको पीछे के बाद जो मतलब पहले के पेरेंट्स से कंपेयर किया जाए, तो आई थिंक दे डिड बेटर in
The
future.
communication, है ना?
Yeah,
The communication is there.
yeah, actually.
और उससे फायदा होता है. सुशांत is also saying, I agree with ma'am, if you don't listen to your children, then there will be a misunderstanding.
हाँ, ये होता है, फायदा तो जरूर होता है। मतलब क्योंकि ऐसा क्या है कि जैसे कि अभी बच्चा है जिसको कुछ चाहिए होता है, कुछ नहीं भी चाहिए होता, उसके दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा होता है, बट अगर आप उसको सुनोगे नहीं तो वो बोल नहीं पाएगा, बता नहीं पाएगा, वो एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाएगा। तो वो फ्यूचर में आपका क्या होता है, बच्चा जो ग्रो करता है, तो उसके दिमाग में चीजें बैठ जाती है। मैं बोलूं, कोई समझने वाला नहीं, कोई सुनने वाला नहीं, तो मैं क्या ही बोलूं। तो वो उसी एनवायरनमेंट में ग्रो होता है। वो फिर चीजें होती हैं कि उसके साथ कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशंस भी आती हैं जो वो शेयर करना भी चाहता है, बट एक द काइंड ऑफ स्टेज वो डजंट वांट टू शेयर विद पेरेंट्स। सो वो कुछ टाइम बाद वो उसके लिए कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाती है, फिर वो सोचता नहीं कि अगर मैंने बता दिया हो तो शायद अच्छा होता, बट ये भी सोचता है अगर कोई समझेगा नहीं या फिर कोई सुनेगा नहीं तो बताने का क्या फायदा है। तो
राइट।
ये चीज भी होती है।
ये आपने जो लास्ट में 2 शब्द बोले ना, कोई सुनेगा नहीं और समझेगा नहीं, अगर बच्चे के दिमाग में अपने पेरेंट्स को लेकर ये आ जाता है तो कहीं ना कहीं पेरेंटिंग में चूक हो गई है। इज
जी
दैट ट्रू?
बिल्कुल। जी
है ना?
बिल्कुल।
So if from the beginning parents can give that assurance to a child that we are there, और वो एक स्पेशल टाइम बनाए जब वो बच्चों की पूरी बात सुने और बिना जज किए, तुमने ऐसे क्यों नहीं किया, तुमने ऐसे क्यों नहीं कर लिया, ऐसे भी हो सकता था, वैसे भी हो सकता था। मतलब एक होता है टॉक करना कि अगर मैं और आप बात कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको कुछ सिचुएशन बता रही हूँ और आप मुझे जज ना करके मुझसे ऐसे दोस्त की तरह, अच्छा ऐसे क्यों हो गया, अच्छा ऐसे हुआ था,
बस
अच्छा और
सुनने की
क्या।
एबिलिटी जो है ना, आप पे कर
हाँ
अच्छे से सुन सकते हो।
हाँ।
आप उस पे कमेंट ना करो, सजेशन मत दो, पहले आप फुली सुनो वो क्या कह रहा है, और उसके बाद समझाने का जो तरीका होता है, बेटा अच्छा ठीक है आपने ऐसा किया, अच्छा है नहीं हुआ, बट आप ऐसा भी कर सकते थे, ये अगर ऐसा आप करते तो वो वे होता है ना कि अब बच्चे को थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल करें, ठीक है बेटा आपने अच्छा कर दिया,
हाँ।
ठीक कोई बात नहीं, बट अब जो है ऐसा अगर आप करेंगे तो जो नहीं हो पाया वो हो सकता
दीपक बोल रहा है, आदि दीपक बोल रहा है उसके बाद मारो।
है।
नहीं 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 नहीं। दीपक क्या
ये
होता आदि, आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं, बोलिए।
जी नहीं, बस इतना ही।
दीपक आपकी बात पे आते हैं, पहले सुशांत और खुशबू को सुन लेते हैं और फिर अदिति के पास भी अगर कुछ है। सुशांत, यू वांट टू से समथिंग बिकॉज यू वर राइटिंग नाइस कमेंट्स देयर। सुशांत, या।
No, ma'am. If you want to discuss with your parents, if your parents are a friend or behave with a friendly, then you can share your thoughts. Today happened this, mom. I complete my work, and my friend says me this rude. My boss talking to the rudely. I can means I will share my all things with my parents.
राइट, एब्सोल्युटली। क्या आप करते हो? डू यू शेयर एवरीथिंग विद योर पेरेंट्स?
Mm, Yes, ma'am. All things I will share, but some private moments means I do not share with my family. I will I will share with my best friend on some secret.
All right. So there are secrets, huh, which you do want to
Yeah,
share with
ma'am.
your parents because
Yeah,
probably you
ma'am.
are not sure how the reaction will come from the parents. Is that the reason? Or do you think that is something you'd rather not talk to your parents? नहीं तो फिर वो पीछे पड़ जाएंगे, हाँ भाई आज क्या हुआ, कल क्या हुआ, अच्छा अब क्या होने वाला है, ऐसा कुछ।
Yes, ma'am. He means he do not take me seriously. That's why I do not share with that things with me.
Or there are certain things of which you are not sure, probably some love relationship
Yeah.
or some feelings, and so you are not sure because parents कई बार overreact करते हैं ना इन चीजों को लेकर।
Hmm. Yeah,
Generation gap
maybe.
is a thing. Shivang says generation gap is a thing. You can't share everything. I do respect those words. Having said that, again, it is not the question of generation gap, Shivang. It's the way the communication or connection is being built. I, as a therapist and a psychologist, have seen parents and children who can share everything in a very beautiful manner, and there are parents and children who can't share anything with their parents, the children, because the parents have probably not gone that road, they have not taken that, having said that, I do agree there are situations where children might feel whether they should talk to your parent because your own physical attractions, your own liking for somebody, when you yourself are not sure of something, how would you go on? Don't have the right choiceful words. So sometimes when you can't speak to your friends or your family or your mother or your father, and you just say, I have feelings, but I don't know what to do about them. ये भी एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल तरीका होता है अगर आपके रिश्ते उस लेवल तक हैं, बिकॉज आई थिंक पेरेंट्स आर ब्यूटीफुल बट स्टिल अ लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स, they still can't talk a lot of things with their children and they don't know how to. So like we have Kumara in the panel, and I remember what Kumara was talking about his daughter. He has a great, beautiful relationship with his daughter, but he still carries on a mindset wherein he thinks the fathers can't talk everything to the daughters. So he very beautifully talks to his wife, and the wife in a beautiful manner conveys everything to his daughter, and so they are maintaining a balance. So see, so long as the communication is happening and the barrier is not there, things are all right. That the child knows that wherever I am, I have to tell my parents, and wherever I am, if my parents know, I am safe and secure and there is no problem, we all are in peace and we all are enjoying our lives. So that makes a lot of sense. Does that make sense here? Anybody? Khushbu, can you unmute now, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go on.
Hello, ma'am.
जी, were you listening? आप सुन रही थी? Do you want to add on, my dear?
Not all. I leave because I didn't understand some things.
Okay. What all did you understand? क्या क्या समझ आया? और अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में, would you want to talk about your relationship with your parents?
Yes, my parents is friendly with me, and also I also share with everything with my parents, but some things he didn't understand me, and she tell me wrong. This is not good.
अच्छा, जब वो बोलते हैं ये सही नहीं है, तो आप उनको बोलती हो बताओ अच्छा क्यों सही नहीं है, कि बोलते हो नहीं नहीं आपको कुछ नहीं पता है, मेरी बात बिल्कुल सही है, मैं जो कह रही हूँ बिल्कुल सही है? मतलब वो खत्म कैसे होता है या आगे कैसे बढ़ता है? शिवांग says like not eating Maggie. हर टाइम मैगी खाना अच्छी बात नहीं है, मम्मी बोलती है. Example, that's a beautiful example, Shivang.
Yes.
You make that's a beautiful example. मेरी भी लड़ाई होती है मेरे बच्चों से इस बात को लेकर के. But the problem is that we ourselves and the parents have given so many options of processed foods to our children. We have introduced our children to such foods, so we will have to bear the brunt, isn't it? मैगी एकदम easy food है, कोई सब्जी नहीं. हम लोग छोटे थे, we used to eat Maggi with a lot of vegetables. Today's children, they stick to that ad of 2 minutes Maggi noodles, and that's where the major problem is of the parents. Yes, you're right, Shivang. What you're saying is beautiful. कॉल आ गई, आदि को कॉल आ गई. अच्छा, आदि कॉल ले लो. खुशबू, अभी आपके जो आप बोली कि आप मम्मी को बोलती है कि मम्मी ये ऐसे करना, मम्मी कहती है नहीं नहीं ये सही नहीं है, तो उसके आगे बात कैसे बढ़ती है? आई थिंक खुशबू, आई कांट सी. हाँ, शी इज देयर.
मैम नेटवर्क डिस्टर्ब कर गया था.
क्या डिस्टर्ब? नेटवर्क. ओके, नेटवर्क डिस्टर्ब कर गया. तो जब मम्मी बोलती है कि नो नो यू डोंट हैव टू डू दिस, ये बिल्कुल सही नहीं है, और तुम क्या बोलती हो उस टाइम पर? व्हाट डू यू से? उसके दीपक इज सेइंग उसके बाद चप्पल से बात. दीपक, तुम्हारी चप्पल से कितनी बार बात हुई ये बताओ? सुशांत, तुम्हारी चप्पल से बात हुई कई बार? पापा की चप्पल थी कि मम्मी की थी? हवाई चप्पल थी कि लेदर की थी?
बेलन से भी हुई है मैडम. बेलन, चिंटा, चप्पल, मतलब जो आया उस टाइम पे, जो हथियार मिला उसी से वार.
अच्छा, मगर वो जो वार थे, क्या उन्होंने कुछ असर छोड़ा कि ऐसा लगा नहीं कोई बात नहीं यार, ये तो मम्मी तो प्यार इतना करती है, मार भी दिया गुस्से में तो क्या हो गया? नहीं,
असर तो नहीं छोड़ा, लेकिन हाँ याद जरूर है. वो मतलब ऐसी कई बार ऐसा हो चुका है कि जैसे कि कोई भी बात अगर आप नहीं जिद पे आ जाते हो, तो फिर वो चिमटा, करछल, बेलन कहाँ रखी है आपको बताना नहीं पड़ता है. वो तुरंत हाथ में आ जाता है. अच्छा, अब जब ये करछा वर्छा लगा तो मतलब, और ये सब पिटाई हुआ, तो उसके बाद क्या होता है? मम्मी या पापा आके बोलते हैं बेटा क्यों ऐसा करते हो? देखो हम तो कितना. उस टाइम पे फैमिली मेंबर में कोई एक ऐसा जरूर होता है जैसे कि आपके या तो दादाजी हो गए, या तो दादी जी हो गई, या तो अंकल आंटी हो गई, कोई जो होता है जो सपोर्ट में होता है, आपने ऐसा क्यों किया, तो उस टाइम पर जो मजा आता है जब उनको डांट पड़ती है।
हाँ, अगर कोई हो तब तो फिर
हाँ,
तो बढ़िया है। जैसे
बढ़िया। फिर हम नहीं रो रहे होते हैं, फिर अचानक से रोने लगते हैं और उसके पास
हाँ, ये
और
जो
उसको
ड्रामेटिक एस्पेक्ट है ना, ये बहुत स्ट्रांग है भाई।
जी जी। तो ये चीजें करने में उस टाइम पे मजा आता, मतलब था कि हाँ चलो अब तो मैं खा चुका हूँ, चलो दोबारा डांट खिलवाता हूँ।
तो मतलब ये वॉर शुरू हो गई है, चलो कोल्ड वॉर है। अभी हमको लगा, अभी आपको भी देखिए कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रसाद मिलेगा।
मिलेगा ही मिलेगा।
हाँ,
तो मुझे
दीपक
खुशी
लिख
होती थी उस टाइम
जी।
पे, वाह, सारे दर्द भूल जाते हैं। उसके बाद चिमटा कहाँ
हाँ,
लगा है, कलछल कहाँ लगी, बेलन कहाँ लगी।
अच्छा, ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें है ना, 1 मिनट 2-3 कमेंट्स हैं वो पढ़ लेते हैं। दीपक बोलते हैं पापा का तो बेल्ट होता है। सूरज, पापा आफ्टर बीटिंग, और सूरज बोलते हैं पापा आफ्टर बीटिंग विद बेल्ट। अरे बेटा, ये तो आशीर्वाद है, ले लो। सूरज, हमें समझना पड़ेगा कैसा आशीर्वाद है भाई। मतलब वो सच में बोलते हैं। और मगर क्या है, अगर कोई और नहीं था, जैसे आदि और सुशांत ने कहा कि कोई और होता है तो बड़ा मजा आता है, चलो अभी तो ये वॉर चालू है। मगर अगर कोई ऐसा नहीं है और आप रोए नहीं, या आप उनको घूरते रहे और वो कह रहे अच्छा हमें घूरोगे, और फिर आप कोने में बैठ जाते हो थोड़ी देर के बाद कि भैया आंखें नीचे कर ले नहीं तो और लगेगी, थोड़ी देर के बाद क्या वो
मैं एक सिचुएशन बता रहा हूँ। एक बार क्या हो रहा था, मैंने कोई गलती करी थी, तो वो मम्मी मतलब ऐसे ही पीट रही थी, तो एक दो चूड़ी जो होती है वो टूट जाती है और चूड़ी टूटने के बाद दोबारा पिटाई होती है कि तेरी वजह से चूड़ी टूट गई। तो ये एक दो राउंड जो होते हैं जो हम लोग रिस्क लेते हैं, अगर चूड़ी टूट गई तो हमें वो भी मार खाते खाते वो भी बचाना, देखो कहीं प्लीज चूड़ी ना टूट जाए, 2 राउंड और पड़ेगी।
अच्छा, ये भी बड़ा मजेदार बात है। उस टाइम पे मम्मी मम्मी मार लेना, मगर प्लीज देखना चूड़ी ना टूट जाए, नहीं तो और मारोगी।
ये चीज होती थी।
अच्छा, ये बातें आप इतने अच्छे से और प्यार से बात कर पा रहे हो, इसका मतलब है कि you remember them as good thoughts. You don't remember them as something which is left a bad impression on your heads. Because आपको ये पता है, आदि आपने बोला मैंने गलती करी थी,
जी
है ना?
बिल्कुल। हम लोग बदमाश हुआ करते थे, इसलिए पिटे। पेरेंट्स आपको बेवजह नहीं मारेंगे।
ये right. Aditi, do you want to say something after hearing to all this from Sushant and Adi and all the comments down there?
No, ma'am. I just joined the call.
All right. So Aditi is trying to become an air hostess. She's joined the course. So we are giving her a taste of communication of parenting. And when you talk about mindful parenting, it is very important कि parents ठीक है, देखो पेरेंट्स हैं, इंसान है, इमोशनल अपहीवल्स उनके भी हैं, बट माइंडफुल पूरी तरह होना भी बहुत मुश्किल है. तो द आइडिया इज दैट यू आर माइंडफुल एंड यू आर मेकिंग द कनेक्शन स्ट्रांग बाय टॉकिंग. और शिवांग ने लिखा, भाई आदि पढ़ो क्या लिखा शिवांग ने.
ये जो इंडिया में सब इंजीनियर्स, डॉक्टर एंड प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, ये सब चप्पलों का असर है. ये बात तो सही है.
हो भी सकता है एक्चुअली क्योंकि आई थिंक पेरेंटिंग के अंदर पेरेंट्स का फोकस ये जरूर होता है कि भाई हमारे बच्चे कुछ अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर ले, अच्छे से समझ लें हर चीज को, ताकि इनकी जिंदगी आसान हो जाए. हाँ, ये बात अलग है that with the advent of today's world and AI and the entire professional arena is changing. So it is very important that the parents understand what is happening in the world so that they can make a bigger and better change for their children. So mindfulness is important. We all agree कि भाई parents को mindful होना चाहिए. And the first thing is Suraj, strictness. What do you mean by strictness? I mean, I don't think being really strict is important. You have to have a communication of, हाँ चप्पल वाला communication भी काम करता है, but वो verbal और articulate communication is very important. So would you want to come on board? And even this one, Baldev is also there and Kumara is also there. Kumara is also not joining. He has some interesting things to talk. I still remember what he was talking about. So a mindful parent would want the child to be confident. So he is ready to listen and not judge. Because हम लोग ये भूल जाते हैं जब हम बच्चे थे तो हमारे साथ भी बहुत कुछ हुआ. तो हम जब पेरेंट बनते हैं तो हम एक ना वो what is that, we come in a mode. I am a parent, you know, I have to behave like this, I have to act like this. हमें बच्चों को ज्यादा आजादी नहीं देनी है. So balancing all that is really important. And what Suraj is saying, what Shivang said, reminded me of strictness. All right, Shivang is talking about जूता चप्पल, but honestly, क्या सच में जूते चप्पल से इंजीनियर बन जाते हैं? Is my question to Shivang. Shivang, I would want you to come and discuss on this point, because again it depends. Because अगर माँ बाप मारने के बाद भी they tell their children, भाई हम तुमको इसलिए नहीं मार रहे हैं कि हमें मजा आता है, हम फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहे हैं क्योंकि तुम हमारी बात नहीं समझ पा रहे हो, और तुम ये नहीं समझ रहे हो कि हम तुम्हारी जिंदगी को अच्छा बनाने के लिए जद्दोजहद में लगे हैं. आई थिंक दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वैलिड पॉइंट. दिस मेक्स अ चाइल्ड टू थिंक कि भाई मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे मार भी इसलिए रहे हैं क्योंकि ये मेरी जिंदगी अच्छा बनाना चाहते हैं. जब पेरेंट्स ऐसी बात करते हैं उस टाइम पे क्या ये समझ में आता है? इज इट रियली इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड?
I think Ashika ma'am, at that time when parents beaten us, can't understand that emotion, that that aim for you, that he decided to want to become, I mean, maybe a doctor, engineer, anything else. But after time lapse and we achieved that goal and did something new or that they want. Maybe I also wanted to be on their particular aim. So we realized that will happen in my past is better for me, because sometimes people, a person doesn't take seriously their career and but after the time being lapsed and they realize and regret. So I think the parenting will must some quite strictness and lots of love also. and don't
and don't
try to use जूता and चप्पल.
ज्यादा ना करें, बस दिखा दें, देखो ये जूता पड़ा है यहाँ पर.
हाँ, बस उतना काफी है.
एंड आई थिंक जैसा कम्युनिकेशन की बात हो रही है, कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर नहीं होना चाहिए. लेट्स हियर टू शिवांग एंड देन वील ऐड समथिंग मोर. शिवांग.
Hi, I think there is no equation that can be applied everywhere. Depends on the kids. जितने ढीठ बच्चा होगा वो वैसे ही हैंडल करना चाहिए. So I think it's a balance of fear, love, and inspiration. So if the parent is expecting their kid to, wake up till 1 a.m. in the night and study, you can't expect parents to sleep at 8 or 10, right? And the kid is looking at parents, they're sleeping. So it's more like you have to be an inspiration for them. You have to wake up and you do your office work or something, and the kid is working by your side. So it's more likely that kid will continue working. So it's more like it depends, right? It's all variables how your kid is and how you are. Yep.
Absolutely. But how your kid is, what the child becomes, what the parents end up making the child in some ways. Like you said that if you want the child to follow something, you have to set examples for the child to observe, because the child is observing the parent at every single moment of their lives till they really learn to grow apart. And they are watching their parents in every step. Yeah, Shivan. So when you are doing something, and today's kids are much smarter because the parents are giving them the independence of voicing themselves, and which is a beautiful thing. Voicing themselves is beautiful, but at the same time, that art of listening from the parents and the art of listening on the part of the children has to be inculcated, and the parents have to make their children a party to everything. I think this is what we were discussing yesterday, that mindful parenting or authoritative parenting is not about just giving commands. It is about making your children understand that they have to listen to their parents, talk to their parents, sit down and argue also, reach to a consensus and move further. And if a consensus is not arrived at, then they will have to find different ways. But a lot of times with discussions, consensus can be arrived at, and that's where the parent becomes instrumental, because it is not that the child is bad. It is about the parents. The parents are the ones who have to set examples in any which ways. If the parent and the father and the mother are fighting, they have having problems all the time. If they are not able to give time to their children, they are not able to, understand the needs of their children. They are not able to listen to the everyday activity. We have things happening every day. So the self-esteem of a child will get built if only the child has that approval or that, the visibility and that concern and empathy of the parent. So there are techniques of boosting the self-esteem of a child. Now, when I say self-esteem, what do you all understand by that? What is the meaning of self-esteem? Anybody would like to say? Anybody down in the panel or up on the speaker panel? What is self-esteem? How do you rate it? And how do you think it is really important? If I say, if you're, making your children to communicate with you, their self-esteem will get built up. What is the meaning of self-esteem?
I think, go ahead, whoever the person was.
Adi started. Yeah, you say Shivang, then we'll go to Adi. Go on.
I think acknowledging the thoughts and opinion of children is really important, and not dismissing them, not crushing their whatever thoughts they want to, new things they want to try, or thoughts they have which are not in alignment of what you think. So this is probably maintaining, having their self-esteem.
What is self-esteem? What you said is beautiful. The parents have to listen to their children. They have to understand, even if there is a division and if the parents are thinking that what their children is saying is different, but they have to let their children go touch the waters and test the waters, because that's how life is. And the parents will have to have the back of their children. Absolutely okay with that, Shivang. But when you say self-esteem, what is the meaning of that? What if the parents are doing all this, the self-esteem of the child is really boosted? And what is the meaning of self-esteem? Would you want to add, Adi?
Yeah, I think parents really, understand the child and communicate well and try to listen them. Then the children that gain self-esteem and some confidence at kind of level, and they feel free and evoke free and just try to grown up in our environment, and they're not going to afraid any kind of things. Like if we are going to talk to somebody, we have a fear like if parenting is not going good. So that depend on behavior, and that you said that like listen.
Again, what you said is beautiful, but I have not reached to the meaning of self-esteem.
Self-esteem. Can we explain that particular word?
A simple definition of self-esteem. Anybody? It's how you value and perceive. It's how you value and perceive yourself. Yeah. My self-esteem is how I look at myself, how I value myself. And I would learn to value myself and look at myself in a good manner if my parents have taught me to do that, isn't it? Unless as I grow up and I understand, oh my God, I think I'm lacking in my self-esteem. I don't value myself in a very good manner. I'm not confident about my personality. I don't think I am good. If I realize that at a later part of life, I would act upon it. But as the duty of a parent, if the parents are listening to their children, they are communicating, they're telling their children to talk, negotiate, they are telling their children to, voice themselves out, and the parents give them approvals, they give them encouragement, they stand by them, they talk to them, that kind of builds the confidence. And the children value themselves. They look at themselves as people who can talk. And when they talk, they are acknowledged. They are approved. They are talked to. They are not dismissed. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
So self-esteem is very important. And believe me, the self-esteem roots lie in the parenting somewhere. Unless when we grow up, we learn to have a better self-esteem by being mindful ourselves. So parents have a great rule. And how do the parents do it? They praise, they encourage, they tell their children, oh yes, you've done a great job. And they say, whatever you're doing is beautiful, but I think if you can make these changings, it'll really help you.
I
So
think
acknowledge.
little,
Go on.
yeah,
Go on.
small achievements, and they celebrate their small achievement that give you self-esteem and confidence, and so I think it's a big thing of
Absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely. Anybody else who would like to add? Nobody? Saheli is saying, my never used this beautiful phrase in front of me. Which beautiful phrase, my dear friend? The chappal wala? Mummy's answer, chappal juta? No, chimta. I'm not able to understand what you're saying, Saheli. You will have to come on board. And like Amrish yesterday was talking about, superficial acknowledgements. So when you're trying to build the self-esteem of your child, you're not going acknowledging everything. You're not saying, very good for everything. If they think that there is something which is not right, they said, make their child sit down and say, it looks nice, but I think thoda sa isme aisa kuch kar sakte hain kya? So while they are encouraging and they are, fostering independence, and they are talking to them, they are saying you're doing good things, still they are setting realistic expectations. They are not just saying, oh, very good to everything. Oh, my child is the best. They are not just saying it for the heck of it. She never said, I'm good. All right. Saheli, yes. That really, believe me, when parents say, oh, yes, you're doing good things, it fills the child with immense pleasure. Oh, Deepak says, because you are not. Now, Deepak, that is being a little nasty, my dear friend. You will have to watch out. So Adi says, maybe not. Maybe you are not Saheli. Oh, Adi, you are following trap to Deepak. Both of you are trying to pull her. Saheli, why don't you come on board and talk to these two guys, Deepak and Adi? Because we all have something or the other, and parenting is a beautiful phase. कि हम लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ वो अप्रूवल्स जब बचपन में मिलती हैं, वो हमें बहुत 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 कुछ दे के जाती हैं. It really helps us in becoming a better human being. And जब हम अपने बच्चों को encourage करते हैं, उनको ये बताते हैं, बेटा ये तुम्हारी strength है. Like for example, my children, when I talk to them, I'm like, oh, my son is technically very strong, he's very logical, and my daughter is very creative. So I'm not trying to draw a comparison between both of them. I'm trying to tell them their strengths. I'm not saying to my daughter, Dekha, your brother is very good in maths, tumhe bhi karna chahiye uske jaisa. If I say that, that is somewhere gonna hurt her. And knowingly or unknowingly, somewhere it really leaves an impression. Do you all agree with me? कहीं ना कहीं एक ऐसा इंप्रेशन बच्चे के दिमाग में आ जाता है, यार मैं तो अच्छा नहीं हूँ, मेरे में तो कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं है. And that is the reason. Yeah, go on.
वो बच्चा मैं हर एक चीज में कंपेयर करने लगता खुद को अदर बच्चों से कि ये किस में अच्छा है, वो किस में अच्छा है, मैं किस में अच्छा नहीं हूँ. तो ये चीजें उसके दिमाग में आने लगती हैं सर.
Saheli is saying again something. I am good, not just good, very good, but she wants that I'll be the बेस्ट. हाँ, ये जो बेस्ट वाला है ना, ये भी कीड़ा बहुत खराब होता है भाई. सो अगर है ना, ये भी बच्चों को कहीं ना कहीं, और शायद इसी वजह से बहुत सारे कम्युनिकेशन गैप्स और बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. एंड दैट इज द रीजन, अगेन, पेरेंटिंग इज बीइंग अ पेरेंट ऑन द टाइट रोप. बट यू आर ऑन द टाइट रोप ओनली व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. अगर आपको लगता है हम जो कह रहे हैं बेस्ट है, हमारे बच्चों के लिए हम बेस्ट कर रहे हैं, और बच्चों को ऐसी फीलिंग नहीं आ रही है, फिर सब गड़बड़ है. Then it is all wrong. I'll just pause and ask anybody who has anything to add, like Saheli has just added. Some beautiful people in the listening panel. Khushbu has gone and become a listener. So we have so many people who are there. Mr. Narrator, Vipin, Piyush. Saheli just said that she can't join today. And then we have others also, so many of them. Would somebody want to say before we go on, my dear friends?
Sima ma'am, I think it has a course of being parents on on particular thing. We are planning to be a parent. So you have to know that little things while you how to care a child, how to listen. I mean, these kind of thing that we are discussing. So it's really helpful to do those parents. They are new and they don't know how to manage these things. Being a parent.
You're right. Absolutely. There are courses on parenting today. Shashank, you're saying something?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say, my parents. Last time I will say, so my parents fight with and front of me, and it is hurt me. But in future, I will see. I prepare myself. If I have a kid in future, so I will do not means I will always train myself and good parents means I will share the I will build up my relationship as a friendly with my kid in future. And I do not have a sister, so if I have a wish in God, please give me a little girl, because
Yeah.
I do not feel the means sister relationship. That's why I want sister in future.
Okay. But abhi you will have a daughter, yeah? Once you get married and you have kids.
Yes, ma'am. It is my future dream.
Future as in?
Sorry, ma'am.
आपने बोला फ्यूचर मतलब?
मीन्स मेरा फ्यूचर में ड्रीम है कि मीन्स मुझे एक मतलब बेबी गर्ल चाहिए। मीन्स पहले से मैंने डिसाइड कर रखा है। मतलब बेबी गर्ल नहीं होती है तो फिर भी मैं अडॉप्ट कर लूंगा, बट मुझे गर्ल ही चाहिए, बिकॉज मेरे बचपन से मैंने सिस्टर और मेरी सिस्टर नहीं है, तो मैंने वो रिलेशनशिप कभी एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं किया। और उसकी वजह से मतलब मुझे कोई भी मतलब ऐसा कुछ फेस्टिवल्स होता है, भाई तीज या रक्षाबंधन, उस दिन मैं बहुत अलोन फील करता हूँ। इट मीन्स अजीब ही फीलिंग आती है। दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू बेबी गर्ल।
All right, I understand your emotions, but एक बात समझ लेना सुशांत, पहले बेबी गर्ल चाहिए, बेटी चाहिए, उसको सिस्टर बनाना है पहले, और बच्चों के सामने लड़ाई नहीं करनी है। इसके लिए पहले हस्बैंड वाइफ का रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रांग होना पड़ेगा। द कंपैटिबिलिटी विल हैव टू बी वर्कड आउट, ताकि दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ जो आप बोल रहे हो और वो जो कह रही हैं, आप दोनों सिंक में हो, आप दोनों अंडरस्टैंड करो, ताकि जब बच्चे पैदा हो तो आप लोगों को पता हो कि आपको कहाँ पे अपनी लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी है। और इसीलिए जैसे आदि ने बोला कि पेरेंटिंग का कोर्स होना चाहिए, डेफिनेटली कुछ पॉइंटर्स तो सेम हैं। और उसमें क्या होता है, जब पेरेंटिंग का कोर्स होता है ना, तो उसमें रोल प्लेस वगैरह करवाए जाते हैं। और रोल प्लेइंग जो है, आप सबको मालूम होगा, यू नो, व्हेन वी डू अ लॉट ऑफ कोर्सेज एंड व्हेन वी डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्कशॉप्स, तो हम लोग रोल प्लेइंग करवाते हैं। हम उस पर्टिकुलर रोल में किसी भी इंसान को डालते हैं और सामने वाले को उसके साथ डालते हैं, एंड देन दे एक्ट ऑन दैट, देयर इमोशंस, देयर टोनल क्वालिटी, द वर्ड्स विच दे यूज, एंड देन वी सिट डाउन एंड एनालाइज एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो, आपको कैसे करना चाहिए। उसी तरह प्री मैरिटल काउंसलिंग भी होती है। सुशांत, प्री मैरिटल काउंसलिंग में क्या होता है, आपका माइंडसेट है कि आपको ये शादी में करना है, अपने बच्चों के साथ ये करना है। सो बिफोर शादी आपको अपनी वाइफ, होने वाली वाइफ के साथ, या जिस लड़की के साथ आप एक रिलेशनशिप बनाने जा रहे हैं, आप दोनों को ये सब भी पहले से ही डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा। क्योंकि अगर आपने शादी के बाद अपनी वाइफ को बोला देखो बच्चों के सामने लड़ाई नहीं करना, वो बोलेगी मेरे को तुम गलत बात बोलना ही मत, अगर बोल दिया तो बच्चों के सामने ही लड़ाई होगी। So a lot has to be taken into account. There are a lot of comments here. Deepak says, I can't understand how my father's mind works. When I told my father that I want to become an actor, he gifted me a mirror instead of saying no. पर तुमने मिरर लेने के बाद तुमने बोला नहीं पापा थैंक यू, अब इसमें मैं अपना एक्टिंग कर करके देखूंगा कि कैसा लग रहा हूं। तुमने वो किया कि नहीं किया? शिवांग सेज बेबी ही मिलेगी, बड़ी बाद में होगी। तो पहले उसको बेटी का प्यार लेना, और आगे जैसे बढ़ती चली जाएगी तो वो तुम्हारी माँ भी बन जाएगी, बहन तो बनेगी, वो मम्मी भी बन, बेटियां अपने पापा की मम्मी भी बन जाती हैं। और सहेली इज सेइंग सर्टेन कमेंट्स। दीपक फादर, अच्छा यू आर ओके फादर, ऑल राइट। सो बाकी सब सन हंस रहे हैं। और आदि बोल रहा है दादी अम्मा। एब्सोल्युटली, आजकल की बेटियां जो हैं अपने पापा की दादी अम्मा हो जाती हैं। इफ यू आर रियली इमोशनली कनेक्टेड टू योर डॉटर्स एंड योर सन्स, बिलीव मी, daughters I think by nature they have that emotional factor, you know, लड़के हमेशा से केयर फ्री होते हैं। No offense, there can be guys who can be responsible, because I have seen cases but they are very few. लड़कियां शुरू से ही थोड़ा compassionate होती हैं। सहेली says yes we are caring. So when you're talking of all that, तो लड़कों की अपनी खूबियां हैं, लड़कियों की अपनी खूबियां हैं। तभी भगवान ने दो सेक्स बनाया और उन्होंने कोशिश किया कि दोनों अच्छे से रह पाए, मगर वो फिर मैन आर फ्रॉम मार्स और विमेन आर फ्रॉम वीनस वाला एस्पेक्ट आ गया बीच में। सो जब हम पेरेंटिंग की बात करते हैं तो पेरेंट बनने से पहले जो पेरेंट्स का अलाइनमेंट है वो होना स्ट्रांग है, और प्रॉब्लम वहीं से शुरू होती है। यू नो व्हेन द पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अलाइंड, एक फादर ईस्ट जा रहा है, मदर वेस्ट जा रही है, तो बच्चा कहाँ जाएगा बेचारा? ईस्ट जाना है कि वेस्ट जाना है उसको समझ ही नहीं आता है। सो that is where the major problem happens. So there is, you know, when you talk about self-esteem, like I just spoke, anybody who wants to add, say something so far, whatever we have been discussing, कुछ ऐसा point जो समझ में नहीं आया या किसी के ऊपर contradiction है कहीं पर भी? Anybody?
एक डायलॉग है जो पेरेंट्स हमेशा बोलते हैं मैम, आई लाइक, कि बेटा जब तुम बाप बनोगे ना तब तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि हम कैसे रहते हैं। तो आई जस्ट
उनको लगता है कि वो बाप बन गए तो जब तुम बनो, देखो कुछ रियलाइजेशंस तो होती हैं आदि, बट यू नो आपको उस पैटर्न से बाहर आना है। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम एक कंफर्ट जोन में जो बाकी सब कर रहे थे वही करना शुरू कर देते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग अपने आप को समझते हैं कि हम बेस्ट कर रहे हैं, मगर वो बेस्ट के आगे जो अपना एक सेल्फ एनालिसिस है, हर जॉब के अंदर एक अप्रेजल होता है ना सैलरी रेस से पहले, तो वो सैलरी रेस से पहले या अपना औहदा बड़ा करने से पहले सेल्फ एनालिसिस बहुत जरूरी है। और चाहे खुद को किसी और के साथ बैठ के समझो या अपने आप को खुद से समझो, इट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड वहीं पर शायद बहुत आदि यू हैव अ फोन कॉल, या सो बहुत से पेरेंट्स वहीं पर चूक जाते हैं। तो सेल्फ एस्टीम के बाद रेजिलियंस बिल्ड होती है जब आप बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स सिखाते हो। You know, it is very important to, no problem, Adi. So, it is very important to build the self-esteem and the resilience. Sushant, you may speak, my dear.
Ma'am, my dad also said me, you win father, then you realize that thing. मैंने भी आंसर दिया था मेरे डैड को, I will be a better with you. So my dad said, get out with my house.
Get out of my house. But why did you have to say I'll be better than you? गुस्से में बोला था क्या?
Yeah, angry moment में बोला था।
और पता है होता क्या है, बच्चे अपने माँ बाप से नहीं लड़ाई करेंगे तो और किससे लड़ाई करेंगे? अगर वो अपने बच्चों को अपने माँ बाप से बात करने का हक होना चाहिए, लड़ने का हक होना चाहिए। इसीलिए मैं तो खुद अपने बच्चों से भी लड़ाई करती हूँ, उनको लड़ाई करने का मौका देती हूँ, हक देती हूँ, मगर जब मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो मैं भी लड़ाई कर लेती हूँ, ताकि उनको ये फीलिंग हो कि भाई सामने वाला लड़ता है तो उसको कैसे कोप अप करना है। तो जब भी मुझे प्रॉब्लम होती है, सो आई थिंक दैट इज वेयर पेरेंटिंग इज समथिंग व्हिच इज ब्यूटीफुल। मगर हम लोग उसको एक ना बड़ा मतलब टाइट रोप तो ठीक है, मगर थोड़ा सा अगर हम लोग लूजन अप करेंगे और ये समझेंगे कि हमारे बच्चे भी बहुत कुछ जानते हैं, उनको इन्वॉल्व करना, यू नो, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। We have 11 seconds and thank you very much. Sorry, Archika was missed today. Tomorrow she will be there. Take care. God bless you all.